What's up guys, this is Michael with Eurofed Charlotte. This is the 2016 Porsche 911 Turbo we just wrapped up. The goal with this car is to reach 1,000 horsepower. So far we've done stealth turbos, fab speed headers, fab speed exhaust with GT2 style tips, and an M Engineering tune on both the transmission and the ECU. The feeling that you get when you drive one of these cars, especially in a 911 Turbo, when the boost hits, it's unreal. Especially being that this car is all-wheel drive, when you hit launch control, it just goes. There's no tire spin, it just launches you into the next dimension. This exhaust setup in particular gives it way more flow, being that we did the fast speed headers. That has the Race X X-Pipe system with the GT2 style tips. It's basically 3.5 inch all the way through out the back. Thank you guys for checking us out. If you guys want a high horsepower Porsche, you know where to find us.